Russian President Vladimir Putin has signed an executive order instructing the Russian Space Agency to immediately begin construction on a Nibiru Observatory. A pair of memos, obtained via our Moscow source, highlight Putin's courageous endeavor to unmask a global conspiracy that has plagued humankind. If all information is accurate, Putin has committed 860 million dinars, deferred from Russia's national defense budget, toward the construction of the observatory and its 46 inches opto-radio infrared parallax telescope. Revolutionary optics should permit unobstructed viewing and tracking of the Nibiru system as it swings around the dark side of the Sun and begins its deadly approach toward Earth. Although construction of the observatory will take place on Mount Zamoro, chosen for its altitude and clear view of the southern skies, the telescope itself will be prefabricated in Potsdam, DDR and, once completed, flown to North Ossetia. The telescope incorporates a security feature, an integrated retinal scan preventing unauthorized users from accessing the cutting-edge optics. Unapproved users will see images of the Moon or another benign celestial object, anything but Nibiru. Putin finalized his bold plan, sources say, after speaking with President Trump, with whom he has forged an uneasy détente regarding all aspects of the Nibiru cover-up. Both world leaders have repeatedly asserted a desire to terminate the Nibiru conspiracy. Critics of Putin's agenda, however, question the allocation of funds and the unusual timing. Russian opposition leader Yevgenia Chirkova was quoted as saying, "Why now? This Nibiru thing is supposed to arrive later this year, before the observatory is completed, most likely. What good would it do then? A blatant waste of money. If Putin wants the telescope, he should fund it himself. Besides, this Nibiru was supposed to show up in 2000, 2003, 2006, 2008, and 2012, and nothing." Mikhail Khodorkovsky, a vocal critic of Putin, echoed Chirkova's sentiments. "Putin is up to something," Khodorkovsky said. "He is very sneaky, like a weasel. He wastes money needed to combat Western expansionism on foolish projects. This will be his undoing." But Vladimir Putin, arguably the second most powerful man in the world, answers to his own authority. His steely gaze and unwavering calm are enough to silence most critics. In fact, the operation may already be underway. Eyewitnesses from Mozdok reported seeing military helicopters airlifting steel girders, construction equipment and machinery to the summit of Mount Zamora. A chain of pack mules was spotted lugging less burdensome equipment up a treacherous path leading to the mountaintop. Putin's risky venture suggests one of two possibilities: he is either intentionally bankrupting his own economy or he is privy to inside information indicating that the Nibiru apocalypse might not transpire in 2017.